Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, I got my IPSY box. This is the IPSY Extra for March. And guys, I don't know what's going on in my box, but yeah, let's see what they sent me. I mean, obviously I know what they sent me, but let me show you guys. So this theme is gonna be Do Less, Glow More. IPSY 2026. So when I think about this theme, it makes me think about God, because God wants us to take breaks. He doesn't want us overdoing everything. He wants us to take a break. That's why he made the world in 6 days and he rested on the 7th. So when I think about do less, glow more, that's what I think about. So yeah, very good. Love this theme. I'm gonna just grab the first thing here. This is the Vita Tangerine Spotlight Eye Cream. Green tangerine. And this is how this looks. Can't wait to try this out. I've been loving using eye creams lately, so I might like this. We'll see. So far, I like that. Okay, next thing we have here is this Defiance Beauty by, I cannot see that name. It's a Silk Peptide Blush. And let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. And this is the shade Afterglow. Let's give it a swatcheroo. Okay, that's how it looks. Let's see. What's on my face? Let's see how it blends. Okay. Okay, that looks like it blends nice. It looks like a nice shade too, so I like. All right, next thing we have here. This is the All the Fills 3D Tinted Fiber Gel. And this is the brand Lilyease. And it's shade dark brown, which I love because that's my shade. Ooh, this looks so luxury. Let's see. Okay, that's how it looks. Has a weird smell. I want to try this out. Oh, okay. I could definitely see myself using this. It's like filling in like the bald spots I have in my eyebrows. Okay. Love it. 3 products so far. Loving it. Okay. So, I got 2 palettes. Okay. I feel like it's my birthday. So we got the Moon Slice Beauty. And this is a blush palette. Okay, you guys are fixing up my collection. I love it. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Look at those shades. Very pretty. Let's do some swatches. We got that one. Looks like it's very pigmented. Okay. I am very impressed right now. All right, and the last thing we have here in this box is this Supreme Nudes Artist Couture. This is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Okay, let's take this off. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. Okay, that is a beautiful palette. Very beautiful. Will I use it? I don't know. I might give this to my niece because lately I barely use any makeup, and I believe I still have neutral palettes, but we'll see. It's a very beautiful palette though. Okay, so I must say I am very impressed with this box. Very impressed. I love that I mostly have makeup and not just skincare, so that's awesome. And even though I picked like 3 products, but still, it's like, you know, it's the choices they gave us, and I'm pretty happy with the choices we were able to make. So guys, that's everything for this video. Stay tuned because I have more videos coming for you guys, more collaborations, so get ready for the ride because it's gonna be fun. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are. God bless you, God keep you, and thank you for watching. Bye.